Today, in the Heroes of Independence series, we will talk about Annie Besant. Annie Besant is a remarkable figure in history known for her bold reforms and strong spirit. Born on October 1, 1847 in London, she faced a difficult childhood. Despite a troubled marriage, she moved forward to create significant change. In the 1880s, Annie joined social reform groups like the National Secular Society and the Fabian Society, working with notable figures such as George Bernard Shaw. Her interest in theosophy, influenced by Madame Blavatsky's work, led her to lead the Theosophical Society, where she gained global influence. Annie arrived in India in 1893, making the start of an influential journey. By 1916, she was a key advocate for India's self-rule and became the first female president of the Indian National Congress in 1917. In 1920, she disagreed with Gandhi's non-violent movement. Nonetheless, she persisted in her efforts for women's rights and drafted the Commonwealth of India Bill in 1925. Annie Besant's legacy is one of courage and dedication to justice. She passed away on September 20, 1933 in India, leaving behind a lasting impact. Her name remains a symbol of the fight for freedom and equality.